Okay, so I'm back in the game. I like the gold on these rims right here.
People want like focused on things, and I'm not too focused on just having down here something I can use.
Wait a minute, it's starting to crack already. Oh, that's bad. Oh, what the hell happened? Ooh, they're all cracked up. I guess they're not what all the cracked up to be. Anyway, back to your Mustang. Man, that is really wide. It's really wide. This wing is ridiculous. Oh, yeah, I kind of like that diffuser, similar to mine. It's just got splitters in the center. I'm feeling it though. That has to be custom. Let's see. Say, man, where'd you get your diffuser?
I'm trying to think of who it's from.
Oh, all right.
It's a Carbon Creations. Extreme Dimensions did everything. This guy did all the work. So,
Infinite Auto Design?
Yeah, they're here in Bellflower.
All right, I dig it.
He did everything. He did all the install. But Extreme Dimensions did all the building of it all.
Okay.
They're in Fullerton.
Very nice, man. I like the diffuser.
Check. All right, guys. The time is right now. The raffle is about to take place right this second. So for everybody that has raffle tickets.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, sounds good.
For everybody that has raffle tickets, make your way over toward this front section, right up underneath the canopy. All right? Everybody will get started on this and literally just like.
Oh, he's got turn downs in the center, so I don't hear nothing back here. I like that. He's been tearing up that size here. Got a C7 on stealth mode. Homie Sid 300. And homie Sid. Now, I haven't seen a calidation going this way in a long time. Especially on a new car. Looks like that's it. I got a C2 Porsche down here. They got another one up front I'm gonna go catch too. Last of the air cool. I kind of like the wolf on the side. I dig it. I'm not feeling anything else though. Ooh, curved the heck out of them rims. Ouch. I like the wolfie. That's the best investment on the lot. Well, actually, no, that's a narrow body. I got a wide body up front. Wait a minute, is that a wolf? Almost lost it. Oh, it's camera equipment. Thought it was some kind of roll bar. All right, let's go see this one up front. Go see why it's up front. Pause. Hey, she got these rims. It got some carbon fiber. Yeah, sticky. But it looks good though. Put a carbon fiber wrap, and it looks like the rims are they're powder coated, but they're black chrome, kinda. You can see the reflection from the back. But it looks good with the carbon in the front. But you just need some other carbon on the rest of the car though. This right here is just really cheesy. That was their first carbon that came out, the first sticker. I've gotten better ones since then, but what's the word I'm looking for? First series, first generation carbon sticker. All right, let's go check out this Porsche up here.
So normally, if you have all those space in the features, okay, right? You're gonna have
all right, guys. It is time right now
for the
raffle to take place right this second. So for everybody getting ready for the raffle, please come on, make it this way and bring out your little tickets. Let's go ahead and get down, right? Have those little tickets out. No, just hold on.
C2, we're at 964. Man, that's money. Now we never know if they're all original. Brembo brakes.
All right.
That's not original, if I'm not mistaken. That's a kit.
All right, here we go. We're gonna start it up right now. Hector, look, what are we gonna start?
Updated seats in it. That's a 996 seats, if I'm not mistaken. Let's put some money in this car. I wonder what it's like when it fire up.
First product for the raffle. Here we go. Here we go.
C6 putting it down. Oh, this is an older car. Tell by the door handles. It's all been updated.
Glass, it looks great.
It's crazy when you do every single thing on the car but the door handles. Some of you Porsche cats know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's a lot of work. Okay, man.
This on the Razor?
You are on Facebook.
Oh, yeah. All the time, big boy. Yeah. So glass
Gotta find out what original year this is. Say, man, what year is this?
91.
Yeah, dig it.
Do you use this on your body? Just to exfoliate? You have? How is that?
This ain't no 91 with no door handles like that, dude. That is all brand new stuff, too. Just those tail light assembly, that's what? 350, probably like 450 now in the center. Tail lights are like 3.5.
Everybody, Joseph's telling me to tell
Ooh,
you
look
guys
at
to
that
come on
intercooler. Ooh, this car's been
That
touched.
means you, Darren. Come on closer.
Man, I wish I could hang around us here, fire up.
All day. Oh, 10 kilo.
I don't believe this is a 91.
There it is. Hi. Yeah, you guys in the back? Yeah, you guys? Hi. How are you guys? You guys want tickets? Well, hey, that's...
Nice, though.
Hey, you know what? You lose
All right,
weight.
that concludes this tour. Conversion.
Oh,